तो घर पे कौन कौन है आपके पास?
एक लड़का एक वाइफ है मेरा।
आपका अभी रैंक क्या हो गया?
हाँ सिपाही।
तो एग्जाम नहीं दिया अभी तक क्लास 9 का?
हाँ नहीं।
क्यों? पढ़ाई नहीं करना है? तो आप घर कब गए थे लास्ट?
अभी 4 महीना हुआ।
These soldiers are away from their families for 9 to 10 months a year, serving in this hostile environment. And they make sure that we sleep easy in our homes. So the least we can do is give them a ride when they need us.
ये गाड़ी है आपका? अरे अच्छा जी, नमस्ते, जय हिंद भैया, जय हिंद। So according to a map I've saved, this pass is called Polakkonka. I started off with a bit of a foul mood in the morning, but seeing this completely new side that I only had seen on a map, I think I'm quite happy that I'm finally back at Soka, where we had our horror night.
How I thought I was going to die, how I thought was the last night of my life.
But now coming back after having had this whole wonderful day, driving on a new route, seeing beautiful visuals, meeting the mountain goats, meeting the army personnel who we helped, I don't feel so bad about Sokar anymore. So I think my anti-Sokar feelings have finished. Are you liking India?
I like it a lot.
One of the most memorable experiences of a journey is often meeting other fellow travelers. We were on our return journey and they were heading out. There were quite a lot of stories and notes to exchange on either side.
This revelation, Hanle to Debring and Moreh Plains, which I'm going to get a chance to go again on, I think has been fantastic. And I'm going to try and get Swati to drive on the Moreh Plains.
I have no idea why she's not allowing me or asking me.
Well, Swati doesn't know. The evil horns are still out.
So I feel she wants me to earn my place. And I don't know how can I earn it if I haven't earned it till now. I don't know. What is she expecting me to do? Probably jump off a cliff or something.
Let's see if she'll agree to handle the beast. So there's a gully in front that's separating us from the road.
Which I can see, yeah.
And we have to cross that. Are you all set to off-road?
We have been off-roading.
No, as in off-road with you being in the driver's seat. And we've got these ladders on top. We'll place these ladders on the gully.
Have you lost it?
And drive the
Have you gone
vehicle over
mad?
it.
Have you gone mad?
You can't come on an adventure trip featuring things like off-roading and not try our hand at off-roading. Come on, we're doing this. Chalo.
No, girl.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Ideally, Swati's off-road test should have been done in daylight. But by the time we set up the crossing ladders and chose a safe crossing spot, it was already dark and made it more difficult for Swati to drive and for me to guide her as her spotter.
All you have to do is follow my hand signal. This means this side and this means this side. The movements have to be micro movements. Very precise, very slow, and you'll do great.
Are you sure I can do this?
Straight line, go for it.
It's my fundamental belief that road trips teach you so much about your co-traveler. And I think Swati has been by far one of the best co-travelers. And this includes my family and other friends. I think this road trip has brought us closer than ever before. From here on, it was smooth sailing. No time pressure, no stress. Only the pure joy of driving and great company. The river in Jispa was an ideal place to attempt water wading. And why not? We were, after all, in the tough and rugged Mahindra Scorpio.
You can't wear a seatbelt. Water wading is the only acceptable time you can be without your seatbelt, because in the event of a mishap, you save precious seconds getting out. So now that we've established the water isn't too deep, we go in and attempt water wading.
Do wear your seatbelts for a safe ride.
And the added advantage of this snorkel is that we're not too worried about water being sucked in by the Eiffel Tower.
We were heading back with a lot of memories. Soon, Swati and I would part ways. She would return to her life and share her adventure stories. But my story was far from over, especially when it was missing closure.
Normally, I attract animals like a magnet. They come to me. They come and eat from my hand.
I'll eat them for you, yeah? I know that none of them are coming to her. Eat the yaks or horses.
Well, you know they won't eat from you.
That's a wastage of time.
Shouldn't be your last attempt.
I had to set the record straight with those horses. They had taken offense to my friendly approach, so I decided to give it another shot.
Watch your hand!
When we started, it was just the two of us on a road trip. But over the course of the journey, we grew closer, and I couldn't have imagined a better co-traveler than Swati. It was time for Swati to leave her mark on Super Milo. Traveling is quite like life. You know you're in transition. You know the journey is not permanent. You know you're not going to be here forever, but still, you're given to the temptation of bonding with the people you meet, with the places you see, even though the bond or the experience isn't meant to last forever. Eventually, you realize, be it life or traveling, the final lap is what you do alone, and that the journey is always more important and enjoyable than the destination. I shall keep traveling, for that is who I am. I am not my name, not my profession. I am the journey I had and will have. I am a traveler. This is it for now. Until next time, get out there and explore.